Welcome back, everyone. My name is Santiago with DoorLoop, and today we're going to go over some of the most frequently asked questions that we get here at DoorLoop. And for that, we gather some of our experts from the company to answer your questions.
DoorLoop is the easiest to use property management software that helps manage hundreds of thousands of units in over 100 countries. It is built for property managers, management companies, owners, landlords, investors, tenants, and anyone looking to manage properties worldwide. Our software helps property managers get organized, generate custom reports with ease, and increase profits without increasing their expenses. We help deal with pain points such as rent collection, deal with maintenance, but more importantly, the headache that is accounting. With unlimited customization and flexibility, DoorLoop is perfect for anyone getting started with one property or large company managing hundreds and thousands of properties. With DoorLoop, you can manage residential properties, commercial properties, student housing, mobile homes, affordable and workforce housing, community associations, and HOAs. Our goal is to make your life easier so you can get more done in less time, increase occupancy and profitability while decreasing turnover and workload, so that you have more time and energy to focus on what matters to you.
You don't need QuickBooks when using DoorLoop. However, if your CPA or accountant likes using QuickBooks and wants to continue using it, we do have a sync with QuickBooks Online, which will transfer over all of your expenses and all the payments received automatically. But with DoorLoop, we do offer a full accounting and reporting suite to run your profit and loss reports, cash flow statements, balance sheets, and anything you could do on another accounting system, you can do directly in DoorLoop.
DoorLoop does a fully functioning mobile app, and if you have an Android device, iOS device, it doesn't matter. You can just download it on both. It's 2023. Your tenants deserve an easier way to make payments and manage requests, so we absolutely had an app that they're going to love.
So not only can you pull statements for any time period, but you also can give your owners their own access to their owner portal. That way they'll be able to see all the information for their properties as you see fit.
The nice part about the owner statements is if your owners own multiple properties that you manage for them, you can even create a report where all the properties show up on the same statement, individualized with the totals running on the right-hand side.
So tenants can go into the tenant portal, which you invite them to. They can make their payments via ACH or credit or debit card, and they can also submit requests. So both on the website version and on the DoorLoop mobile app.
Not only is it easy to track expenses from your office, but the most important thing for a property manager is to be able to do the job on the go. That's why the app is so powerful. From your driver's seat, on the go, when you're at lunch, when you're doing anything you possibly need to do, you can easily track expenses in all times of your day.
In DoorLoop, you can automate rent reminders via email and text to your tenants.
Tenant notifications will actually be automated in the system. You have automated text and emails as well as push notifications that will be sent to tenants about upcoming rent charges. You also can update them about outstanding maintenance requests. And then you also can send out mass announcements from the system via email, via text, or you can post it on their tenant page.
So here at DoorLoop, you're never going to pay for support. We want to be able to help you whenever you need and not charge you for it. What we do instead is we have a one-time onboarding cost up front. Okay, that's going to cover your data migration. So don't worry about putting your properties in the system for you. We will do it along with your tenants, the units, and their leases. Next, of course, we'll have training sessions. You might be pretty good with software, but we know you weren't born knowing how to use DoorLoop, so we'll be here to help you get set up. Okay. With that one-time cost, it'll cover all of those items and, of course, the ongoing support for life, including those Zoom sessions that you might need once or twice a year for new features and, of course, refreshers.
First, schedule a demo. A quick 45-minute Zoom session with us to make sure we solve all of your problems. If you love the software and you love us, we can get you signed up. Then we'll schedule you for your first 45-minute training session. We'll help import data such as your tenants, such as information related to your active rent rolls and information related to your properties. Then we'll send your tenants a link to their tenant portal. And boom, it's that easy. You're all ready to handle your accounting, accept rent payments online, and deal with pesky maintenance requests. So, when you're ready, come book a demo with us at www.doorloop.com/demo.
All right, everybody, that is all for now. Now remember, if you have any other questions about the topics that were covered today, or maybe anything else that comes to mind, please give us a call. We'll be more than happy to answer them for you. All right? And as always, thanks for watching.